guys, and welcome to another Machine Check, where we check out some of New Zealand's toughest cars and find out what makes them so special. Today is Anthony's R34 GTR T-Nuts. And the heart of this GTR is something special. It's running a cast RB30 block with spool 3.2 litre stroker kit, forged pistons, rod and crank, making it extremely strong. The engine is running a fully built RB26 head that has been flow matched, fully ported and polished, running 274 degree Calford cams and a solid lifter conversion. Man, this thing sounds wild. And on the hot side, this GTR is running a precision 76-75 turbo on a hyper-tuned manifold with twin turbo smart external wastegates and a 4-inch exhaust. And on the cool side, it's running a Plasma Man intake plenum, throttle body and fuel rail. The GTR is also running a custom high-power performance catch can setup with braided lines. The R34 is making 640 kilowatt at the wheels and is running boost by gear, starting at 20 psi, making its way up to 25 psi. About to take it for a rip. I can't wait. Alright, I can't wait to feel the power. Woo! Sheesh! Woo! Whoa! Man! What a weapon! Sheesh! Time for another run. Let's see how we go. Jeez! What an absolute weapon! Oh, and the brakes are ruthless! Man! What a well-sorted car! Next up, some rolling anti-lag. Let's see how we go. Jeez! Wow, this thing is violent, but it still has so much traction in the rain. Controlling the setup is a Haltech Elite 2500 ECU. For fueling, the GTR is running a Frenchie's twin in-tank fuel pump setup, Bosch 1650cc injectors, and a Turbo Smart fuel pressure regulator. For cooling, it's running a Plasma Man intercooler and Koyo Rad. The R34 is running the factory GetTrag 6-speed gearbox, running R32 GTR 411 diffs and an OS Geiken triple plate clutch. And for suspension, it's running Öhlins coilovers and the full collection of True Heart adjustable arms. For brakes, this R34 is running a full R35 GTR brake conversion with Brembo 6-pot calipers up front and 4 pots out back, running 390mm slotted rotors. And for wheels, the GTR is running Work T5R in 19 by 10.5 plus 10 all round. To get the power to the ground, the R34 is running Nexon SUR 4G semi-slick tyres and 275 35 19-inch profile. On the exterior, the R34 GTR is running a Nismo-style carbon fiber bonnet, factory option front lip, and Nismo side skirt extensions. And on the rear, the R34 is running a carbon fiber boot lid with carbon fiber wing extensions and carbon fiber wing. It's running a Nismo diffuser and rear bumper extensions. It's also running Nismo clear front indicators and side markers. And on the rear, it's running Nismo-style LED taillights. On the interior, this R34 is running a Nismo gauge cluster, deep core Nardi steering wheel, and a Haltech IC7 digital dash. That was a better look at Anthony's R34 GTR. This thing is absolutely wild, man. If you like this content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And go check out the Machine Check playlist with some of New Zealand's toughest cars.